are going to end this event with one closing remarks from our CEO, Rameshwar.
Hello, I'm Rameshwar Vyas. Normally people call me RV. So I want to admit one thing, that I'm one of big diehard fan of Magento. So I'm very active community member of Magento global community, and today I'm missing our global community member in this event, which usually they used to come from 20 plus country, and many of them are watching us online. I just a big hi to all of them for watching us live. So I want to share our journey with Magento. Our journey started for Magento in 2009 when we built our first Magento store for a retailer in Simlim Square. We were very new. We were incorporated in 2008. And that time, we could see that this is a platform which is really going for an enterprise scale. And we were really committed on that. And with that, in 2016, we did set up a Magento user group in Singapore. We used to do a monthly meetup on Magento, and it was well sponsored by Microsoft and Amazon, and even Google also sponsored a lot of meetup for us. And then in 2017, we became Magento partner. At that time, Magento was part of eBay Group, if you guys know. And Uti used to be that, Uti Greaves, they are still in Adobe right now. She was the one who introduced us in a Magento ecosystem in a partner level. And we were really committed. And I met a lot of community members globally on Magento, attended many events. Then I thought, why can't we have a great conference on Magento in Singapore itself? Then I spoke to Meet Magento, that's the organization. Meet Magento was predominantly in Europe and America. It was very popular. It was not in Asia at that time. Then we spoke to Meet Magento organization. And in 2018, we did our first Meet Magento. Okay. This is the 4th edition of Meet Magento. And this one is very special for us because last year we did one virtual event. Okay. This year we really wanted to do an in-person event. We thought how to do, we created 2 channels. One is for virtual, one is for in-person. We were scared that any policy might call up the event and we have to move to virtual. And when we announced this event in Singapore, daily COVID cases were like less than 100. And to be frank, every day there used to be a gov.sg WhatsApp message coming up, number of cases, and we were very nervous. And usually like every Monday or Friday, there used to be some announcement for multi-ministry task force for certain regulation on Singapore. Our team was really nervous all the while that whether we would be able to have this event or not. And finally, today, I'm very happy, a bit emotional also, that actually we are here together, and I really appreciate your time today. You came over here. First, I want to thank our sponsors, because this was very critical. Usually, like a sponsor supports for a large event where a huge number of participants come. But this time, I think they respected our spirit of this event. Okay? And most of the sponsors, when we spoke to them, they were very readily supporting to us. And without them, it was very difficult. In the past, this event, like having in a Marina Bay Sands, was a big expenses as well. We used to have attendees with tickets. We were not having that. So we were 100% relying on sponsors today. I really want to thank all the sponsors. Adobe also really supported very well on this thing. Okay? And I really appreciate PayPal, Adyen, Tomy, Checkout.com, Digital, Shipper HQ. They wanted to come to Singapore from US, but because of some VTL flights, they couldn't get this pass to come, so they couldn't attend. I think Karen is watching here. Thank you to Shipper HQ as well, and WordPay team, and Cloudways as well. I want to thank our speakers, okay? And today were like a great sessions. It was like, although we are in e-commerce ecosystem, but I personally learned so many things with today's talks, and I'm sure you guys also have learned a lot of that. Okay, I really want to thank. There's a big lineup of speakers, which is on a virtual event. There are a lot of good sessions. Later, all those sessions will be posted on a video. You guys can watch them as well. Okay, so we be a big number. Around, since in the morning, today morning, around 180 plus companies registered for this event. So what we see here is not only this audience, the huge audience which is watching us and attending this event. And that actually shows the popularity of the event and this entire. We have attendees from 32 countries. So I hope next year, all those people, they can actually come join us physically as well. Now I want to share about the team behind Meet Magento 21SG. So this is our marketing team. They really worked very, very hard. Okay, it's like announcing, creating all artifacts, all even minor detail into there. Some of them are here, and some of them are not in Singapore. They are still supporting this event here. Thank you to all of them. Event management team is here. Big thanks to them. Okay. And I also want to thanks to Marina Bay Sands and our live streaming platform company Hublio and the Gary and team there. Thank you to you guys. And Adobe team, which really helped us to make sure that this event, even though it's such a constrained situation, we can do a great event. And I hope this event will encourage more organization, more companies to do more such events there. And I was just looking at some notice board outside in a break in the Marina Bay Sands, and there's only one event happening at level 5 today. This used to be like super crowded place. So this shows that the courage which we had took is very, very special. So with this, I want to thanks once again everyone, and a bit as being a Magento fan, I'm like very excited that we could make this event, and really thank you all of you, and thank you everyone who are watching us live, and I'm very hopeful to see you all next year in a physical event. Thank you.